guys! First of all, I hope you enjoyed the commercial style presentation for the extra of the Anvil Phoenix gunship. I also wanted to ask sorry, to apologize with all the community for the lack of my video for Las Vegas. Unfortunately, I am the only active member on the 3Dingo from almost 3 months, and I had a bad week. I was too far behind, no way. But, however, this is the Phoenix. I want to give the idea of power, brutality, strong, a ship that conveys terror to its challenger. For the interior, I do not want it playful or elegant. I designed a more military and rogue to be consistent with the exterior. This is the idea that I want to give to the interior. Interior with a wide playability, with a different option of gameplay, and with a decent livability inside the ship. However, I want to use these last few minutes to thank you for everything. It is only thanks to you that we are here, and I hope that we have an opportunity to bring this ship onto the game. Thank you again to everyone, it was a beautiful race. Yo, from 3Dingo!